Hello guys, Model R3102 here again. Tonight I'm going to review from what I've just purchased from TrainFest 2015. This is the Athearn Genesis SD60M in the BNSF Great Pumpkin paint scheme number 8197. In last year, BNSF renumbered this unit to 1474 to make room for the GEVOs. So let's get started on this review. Now I want to do the unboxing of the locomotive this way. So I'm going to open the box up. First off, you get this Genesis locomotive limited warranty, Athearn news pamphlet, brief talk about the 1 year limited warranty, and then final thing is the part diagram for the SD60M and SD60Is. So now we are going to open up this locomotive to its entirety. I know I can get this apart, don't worry. And same old Genesis packaging from the last, I don't know how many runs, or how many years. It's been 2, 3, I don't know. And here's your SD60M. Let me saw. There's some on this side. Voila. And that is the Athearn Genesis SD60M. Let's put it on the track. So here's the locomotive. I am now going to officially put on the track. I do have track power already. Just want to make sure all my locomotives were shut off prior to putting on the track. So let's put on the track. So let's start sequence. Let's turn on the headlights. F0. There it is. F5 should be the ditch lights. Voila. Now let's go over the horn, some of the functions. F1's the bell. And here's the horn, which is a Leslie RS3L programmed right out of the box. That's a long horn, short horn. Now, one thing I'm not really impressed out of the box is that the ditch lights are programmed to flash. That is incorrect for the BNSF models. Well, actually, technically, Burlington Northern owned them, and I don't believe Burlington Northern had flashing ditch lights, but if they did, BNSF deactivated them all. So that is an incorrect part on Athearn and soundtracks themselves. However, that is easily can be changed just with view programs in the CV. But I'm going to show you, I'm going to do a couple program changes, and I'm going to get it to CV 115, 115. I want to change it to value 1 because that is the K3LA horn. That is prototypically correct for the BNSF models. So let's hear it. Okay, so what is shown in the Tsunami website is incorrect. So I'm going to change it to value 2. Now this is the correct version. They mixed them up on the Tsunami website. So this is the K3LA horn. Now let's put this baby in reverse and let's hear it running in speed step 1. 2. 1, 2. Now I'm gonna do the grade crossing sequence. That's the rear headlight. I'm gonna bring it back. So like I said, function 1 is the bell, function 2 is the long horn, function 3 is the short horn, function 5 is the ditch light, function 0 is the headlight, function 4 should be the dynamic brakes. Function 6 is nothing. Function 7 is the dimming of the headlights, as you can tell. Function 8 will mute it, and so on and so forth. So that is pretty much it for the review. You can tell the difference in the paint scheme on the Great Pumpkin unit because it is an experimental paint scheme. No, it's not great lighting down here, but you can tell. Goodness, right there. That is correct with the how the striping of the locomotive was like. Like, there's more stripes on the conductor side than on the engineer side. And this locomotive is number 8197. I do want to get this changed to number 1474 in the near future to make it to replicate the current status of the Great Pumpkin unit. You know, when Athearn announced this locomotive, this unit was just getting renumbered. And I'm somewhat shocked BNSF decided not to repaint this locomotive. Although BNSF probably didn't want to stick money towards another unit to get repainted in the first place when the paint is already good enough. So that's it on my review. See you then.